Hello friends, in this video we will see how we can add and manage the repair products in our shop using smartshaalaa app. So this feature is for those shop owners where they do different kind of repairs of electronics products. So these features will be more useful for those. So let's get started. First we need to add a repair to our store. So we can do that by going to add repair section. Now we need to add all the details of a customer who bring their product to be repaired in our shop. So I will add some data. Now we can also add the amount or the advance amount that is provided by our customer if some. And we can also add a multiple product for that customer also, or we can add a single product. We have to give a name of the product. So now it's time to select the category of a product. We can search a category from our store or select from the list, and if we didn't find a category, we can add by going to add new category button. And here we have to provide some details about the product that need to be repaired. For example, so now click next. So we successfully add the repair to our store, and the receipt is then generated for the customers. We can share this receipt to our fellow customers through the different apps provided here, and that receipt can be bring back to the shop by the customer when they want to take their product after getting, like, after the replacement or anything that repair has been made to the product. So now we have to go to the my repair section. Here we can find all the pendings repair and completed repairs and the delivered repairs of a shop. This section can be also be accessed by the staff, so they can see what repairment or the what repairment of the product need to be done. So once the repairment of the product has been completed, we have to mark the product as completed. So click on done. Now the product has been go to the complete section. Now we can see the product has been completely repaired, and then we can directly contact to the fellow customers for further details to receive their product. And once we hand over this product, we can generate the invoice of this repair by going to checkout button and clicking it checkout button. So we can add some additional information like additional details or the charges that need to be added in a bill. For example, screen replacement has been done this for this project, so I will add charges. So this is how we can add additional charges to the bill. We can also provide some of the terms and conditions. For example, some product that we have been replaced to the repair product may have the warranty, then we can add the warranty to bill also. So now click on generate invoice button. So the repair invoice has been successfully generated. Now we can share this invoice to the customer using different apps like Gmail, WhatsApp, etc. So now it's time to check in delivery section. Our product has been successfully delivered to the customers, and it has been moved to the deliver section. This is how we can add and track all the repairs of our product digitally using smartshaalaa app. And if you want to see the invoice that we previously generated for our customer, we can see that by going to invoice section, and repair means the receipt that has been generated before, repair invoice, and the repair receipt will be find here. So this is it, how easy it is to take digitally a shop repair using smartshaalaa app. Thank you.